Hi, superstars. Today we'll be talking about a very profitable and high income skill. This skill is very profitable in Nigeria and even outside the country. Lots of people tend to look down on this skill. They call it menial. But guess what, my superstars? This skill has the ability to make you between 1,000 naira to 5,000 naira for a person, and daily you can generate between 20 to 50,000 naira in Nigeria from this skill. And if you're in the diaspora, that is outside the country, this skill has the ability to make you earn $50,000 to 100,000 naira from one person. And in a day, you can make between $200 to $500 from this skill. Okay, my superstars. So the name of the skill is barbing. Barbing is very, very profitable, but so many people tend to look down on it. And the great thing is that it is not gender biased. Recently, I saw a lady barb and I was so thrilled. A very young guy sat down, the lady barbed the guy, and it was so beautiful. So, barbing is unique to the male and the female gender. Anyone can barb hair. Okay, so it is one skill that if you can acquire it, you can make good money in Nigeria and even outside the country. It's even more profitable outside the country. Recently, I saw a guy carry big hair and a friend, and I was like, why are you carrying this kind of big hair? And he said that to barb outside the country is really expensive. So some of them would rather carry their hair for a long period of time. So it grows and grows, and by the time they get to barb, they have value for their money. Okay, so charging about $50,000 to barb hair outside the country is equivalent to 75,000 naira to barb hair, okay? And if it's $100, it's equivalent to 150,000 naira in Nigeria to barb hair outside the country. So you see, it is a very, very profitable skill. And the great thing about barbing is that in Nigeria, you can start with low capital. It is a low income skill that you can start with low capital and make good money from it. There's been lots and lots of adjustments that can make you start a barbing business effectively in Nigeria and then make money from it. So sit back as I'll be telling you everything you need to start a profitable barbing business in Nigeria with low capital. All right, so let's delve in. Okay, so before we get started, if you have not liked this video, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. So let's delve in. Okay, so like I said, you can start a barbing business in Nigeria with as low as 100,000 naira. What do I mean? First, you need a shop. To get started in Nigeria, you can get a shop that charge about 10,000 to 15,000 naira monthly. Okay, you can get started with that and then grow from there. To barb, you don't need a big space. All you need is a small space where you can set your mirror and a chair and probably a desk where you keep your clipper and all that. Those are the basic things you need in a barbing salon for a beginner. Okay, so you could get a shop that charge between 15,000 naira to 10,000 naira monthly. Next, you need a chair. A chair could go for about 15,000 naira. Okay, next you need a clipper. Some months ago, someone got us a clipper for about 25,000 naira, a rechargeable clipper. For a beginner, I would recommend that you go for a rechargeable clipper because a rechargeable clipper will save you the stress of thinking of a generator set in Nigeria. One of the challenges we have in Nigeria for business owners is power. So if you are able to cut it out or reduce it to the barest minimum, then your business can thrive effectively in Nigeria. So using a rechargeable clipper will save you the stress of thinking of a generator set, which is quite pricey now in Nigeria. Okay, so we've cut out the generator set with the head of a rechargeable clipper. All you need to do is charge it up whenever there's light and then use it. And whenever there's light, you charge it up again and keep it till your customers show up. Okay, so next you need a, a mirror, okay, and all that, and then you are in business. Barbing a person's hair for a man goes between 1,000 naira. And if it is home service, you can charge between 3,000 naira to 5,000 naira depending on your client. Okay, so if you are able to barb about 10 people in a day, that's about 10,000 naira made from barbing if you are charging 1,000 naira. And if there are extra services like manicure, pedicure, okay, you know that you are making extra money by the side. Okay, if you're able to barb about 20 people in a day, that's 20,000 naira made from barbing. And if you're able to go on outside duties like home service, you know they charge more for home service. You could charge between 3,000 to 5,000 naira. Okay, so if you barb 20 people in a day plus home service, that's between 25,000 naira made daily from barbing in Nigeria. My superstars, did you know that barbing ladies is even more expensive? Yes, they charge more to barb a lady's hair because a lady's hair carries lots of jangloma, lots of stunts and all that. Okay, so some people do charge 1,000 naira to barb a guy's hair, but when it comes to a lady's hair, they charge between 2,500 naira to 4,000 naira, depending on what the lady will be doing after barbing. Some go for very unique styles and unique designs. Some go for Anita Baker style, and some will like play zigzag and all that. All those stunts carry additional charges. And after barbing, some people tend to blow up their hair, use texturizers, and then some use gel, some add lots and lots of things. So all these things add up and then increase the price to about 3,000 to 5,000 naira to barb a lady's hair. Okay, so if you happen to have 2 to 3 ladies in a day that come to barb, that is about 15,000 naira made already from barbing hair. Okay, so by the time the guys start flowing in, okay, you realize that you make about 25 to 50,000 naira daily from barbing. Okay, my superstars, did I mention that barbing, some guys barb between 2 to 3 days? They go to the salon, visit the salon about twice in a week. So you are never out of customers. They visit about twice in a week. Some after cutting their hair, they shave their beards. These attract extra charges. So you find out that by the time a guy stands up from the chair, you could make about 2,000 naira from barbing and then shaving. Okay, so there is money in barbing. Okay, it looks menial, but guess what, my superstars? There is money in barbing business. So there's actually money in barbing business, but you need to be very, very intentional. You need to make sure that no matter how small your space is, it is accommodating and you have very good customer relations with your customers. You have to be very pleasant, very nice with your customers, have a good customer service that will enable your customers keep coming back over and over again. Above all, my superstars, you have to take advantage of social media. We have so many people may not know that there's a barbing salon around them. So you have to take advantage of social media, your WhatsApp, your Facebook, Instagram, whatever social media platform you have, and take pictures, make videos, and post them. And my superstars, you could also ask for reviews from your clients and then put them on your social media platforms. These are the things that will make people keep coming, and with time increase your numbers, and then increase the money you make daily from barbing business in Nigeria. Okay, my superstars. All right, you have to ensure that your barbing salon is clean and neat, my superstars. Practice hygiene. Okay, nobody wants to stay in a dirty environment. Nobody wants to remain in a dirty environment. So ensure that your barbing salon is neat, pleasant, and beautiful. No matter how small it is, try to put up a few beautiful pictures. Aesthetics matters, my superstars. So many people want to go to an aesthetically pleasing environment, okay, and have value for their money. If you're able to get a small fan, an electric fan, and position it so that it's not hot and stuffy, better, my superstars. All right, as this is what will keep drawing people to your place. Okay, my superstars. So if I missed anything, please write it in the comment section. All right, but above all, I know that barbing business is very, very profitable. It is a high income skill that is not menial. Okay, it was a misconception. Barbing is not a menial skill. It is a high income skill that has the ability to make you money in Nigeria. And if you're opportune to leave the country, it has the ability to make you wealth outside the country. Okay, my superstar. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Would you be trying it? All right, let me know it in the comment section. Thank you. If you have not liked this video, please go ahead, hit that like button. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Thank you for watching, my superstars. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.